Hi folks, a very good morning. I hope we are well, fine and good. So let us begin the session on the very recent news. Uh, it is all about the VPN. Okay, the second eye even we can say. So as like Lord Shiva has third eye, and the hackers is having the second eye, and they are going to do such a kind of activities which you cannot even imagine through the VPN connection which you have been connecting, and they can download essays and execute different kinds of command remotely. Okay, so let us begin the session on this topic which is recently been hampering all the environment and actually when it has been launched and when it is firstly been observed. Okay, so these all things we'll be discussing and covering in this video. I hope if you are new to this video channel, or if you are new, please subscribe the channel, like the channel, share the channel as soon as possible for getting the latest update, okay, on recent cyber attacks. Okay, so let us begin the session regarding be aware Tainted, okay, Tenet VPNs being used to spread uh, EyeSpy surveillanceware. Okay, so here you can see in the picture how actually the suspicious or the user or the assessor or the hacker usually gaining the access to different platforms. Okay, and how actually they are doing such kind of activities through VPNs. Okay, so the VPN, which is all about 20 speed VPN slash V9 9.2 exe, okay, bundled or which is legitimate, and it usually starts the code in the form of exe file, and these are the things and scheduled as a task, and these x files gets into some kind of activities, and it starts downloading or downloads and extracts. Okay, so these things will be dumped into your computer and start executing the command prompts, and eventually which usually leads to such kind of activities which you even cannot even imagine or even cannot even have awareness of that. Okay, so that is all comes under the tenant VPN, which is being used to spread an IY or I spy surveillanceware. Okay, so here the details regarding what actually the thing is, how actually the thing is been going on, and here you can see first number point. So Tenet VPN installer are being used to deliver a piece of surveillanceware dumped iSpy as a part of malware campaign that starts in 2022. Okay, so it usually starts in the year of 2022 of May, and it is a malware campaign. Okay, so that is iSpy, and the thing is it uses components of second eye, just say, which I have even said it usually uses the component of second eye, a legitimate monitoring application. Okay, so a legitimate monitoring application when even you cannot even imagine. Okay, to spy on user of 20 speed VPN. Okay, 20 speed VPN, an Iranian based VPN service. Okay, so it is an Iranian based VPN service which usually comes via trojanized installer. Okay, which I have already displayed here, trojanized installer. Okay, so it usually comes with that, and it eventually leads to what Bitdefender said in an analysis, which Bitdefender is a platform where in an analysis it has been said that it is a trojanized installer. Okay, so as it is already given that a majority of infection are said to be originated in NAR. Okay, so and in a small part of Germany as well as in US too. Okay, the Romanian cyber security firm which added in that. Okay, so then after the second eye, according to the snapshot, okay, captured via internet capture, that claims of commercial monitoring software that can work as a parental control system or as a online watchdog, which we have already studied what is a watchdog and how crucial it plays a very important role in Linux applications. Okay, what is watchdog? You can search in Google, you can search as any platform what is a watchdog and how actually it works on. Okay, so here it is also been written that, okay, here it is also been written that it usually estimates. Okay, so it usually estimates to offer a sales anywhere between a dollar of 99 to 200. Okay, so basically what is watchdog, even you can see that a watchdog is a timer, right? We even know that, and it usually what it does is it usually detects, we can say, an electronic or software timer. Okay, so it we can say in a very common language, and it usually detects the computer malfunctioning. Okay, so that's what the main intention of watchdog is, and it is also called as COP timer also. Okay, computer and operating, okay, computer operating properly or not, we can check with that COP timer. Okay, so the from this they usually comes with, and the second eye, okay, which even found to be legitimate. Then after it comes with another point, that it comes with a wide range of features, okay, that usually allows to take very important crucial thing. Here it is written that it allows to take screenshot, record microphones, logs, okay, log keystrokes, gather files, save passwords from web browsers, and remotely control the machines to run arbitrary commands. Okay, so those things you must and should have to keep in mind, that these kind of activities can be done with the second eye. Okay, so then after the second eye previously came under the radar in 2022. Okay, August, in the month of August. Okay, so when Blackpoint Cyber revealed that the threat actor uses use it spyware modules and infrastructure for the data and payload storage, then it basically leads to that. Then after, spyware has the ability to fully compromise online privacy via key logging and stealing of sensitive information, okay, such as documents, image, wallets, and passwords. Okay, those spywares usually does it. And Bitdefender researcher, okay, Gang George and Steve said that this can lead to a complete account takeover, okay, identity theft and financial loss too. Okay, and the last is the latest attack. Okay, the latest attack chain begins when a suspecting user downloads a malicious executable from 20 speed VPN website, indicating the plausible scenario. Okay, either that either that the its server were bleached to host the spyware, or it's a deliberate attempts to spy an individual who might download the VPN app to bypass internet blackouts in the country. I hope what actually the last point usually indicates you have understood. Before downloading any VPN connection, either it is an Iranian based or US based or Germany based, just be aware that you are not going to allow specified access to that user to make certain kind of activities which are not even been remotely executable. Thank you folks. Thank you for your time for spending this video. I hope you have got lot of things in this. Thank you. Thanks a lot.